Okay, so my friend over on YouTube, he made Bahn Mi sliders the other day, and so I am going to attempt to make these. They look so good, and I love Bahn Mi, but I've never actually made it. I always thought it was going to be one of those things where if you have it at a restaurant, it's super good, but then if you make it yourself, then it's me. So I have a lot of the ingredients at home, but some of the ingredients I need to pick up were cilantro, and then I got ginger to add into the marinade. So do you guys have boneless country pork ribs? You know those called?
You should. But not here. That's always in the self-service.
Oh, okay. So.
All right.
If you don't see them, let me know because I got should have some back.
Oh, okay.
We do.
So I was actually reading this the other day. It was kind of funny. It was basically saying like, you won't pay attention if you're gonna buy like, I don't know, a t-shirt or something, but when you go to buy meat, like you really are like, oh, am I gonna spend this $4.22 or am I gonna spend this $4.64? Like those pennies like really matter. Just making a move. So these are my favorite because I hate seeds in the cucumbers, and I really don't like the inside, the fleshy part of cucumbers. So this is perfect because the seeds, I'm gonna get these. They're little ciabatta bites. So what should I do? 3?
Oh, you gonna do those with the sliders?
Yeah, because it's just like.
Look, you have more over there. I mean, but you're probably gonna get them. You want single ones because you're gonna make a specific amount.
Well, 3 will be fine because I want to keep it Weight Watcher friendly. So I don't need like a whole.
An entire huge bag of ciabatta bread.
We all saw. Is that recording? We all saw what happened to my kitchen when I would just start like purchasing things and be like, oh, I'll just use that later. No.
No, it never gets used.
We're moving forward in 2019. We're not moving backwards. So, I think 3 of these are good. These are really soft on the inside.
And why are you picking the ciabatta bread over, well, the ciabatta singles?
Well, he used like a French baguette, but I don't need a whole large baguette, and the texture is going to be pretty similar because they're airy inside when you chop them up. So, yeah, this will work. I'm so excited to try this thing. I don't know how the Food Network people do it, where they're like, totally. You guys, these are so good. Like, the veggies are crisp, but like the pickling is like perfect. Like the mayo adds like that, like, these are like perfect. These are so good. I'm gonna be making these all the time, I can already tell. Like, so good. So in the words of Dad Incredible, nailed it. Go make these. They're really good.